Make sure to create a strong password for added security. Next, fill in any additional required information, such as your name and native language. After completing the form, check for any terms and conditions and privacy policies to review. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking the Create Account or Sign Up button. Now, you may need to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and look for a verification email from Busuu. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Busuu app or website and log in with your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you may be asked to select a target language that you wish to learn. Choose the language and any specific goals you have in mind for your learning. After selecting your preferences, you'll be guided through a brief onboarding process. This process will introduce you to the platform's features and how to use them effectively. Explore the course options available to familiarize yourself with the content. You may wish to start by taking a placement test to determine your skill level. Once the test is complete, you'll receive recommendations tailored to your current proficiency. At this point, you can begin your first lesson or explore community features. Engage with other learners by participating in forums or language exchanges. Additionally, personalize your profile by adding a profile picture and a brief description. Consider setting a study schedule to help you stay consistent in your learning. Take advantage of Busuu's features, such as grammar exercises and vocabulary lists. As you progress, track your achievements and milestones within the app. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out to the Busuu support team if you encounter any issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.